Have you ever wondered why saving your first $10,000 feels almost impossible? Everyone talks
This
about
plan will
becoming a
secure
millionaire,
your financial
but
future.
no one tells you
Thank
that
you.
the
I'm
hardest
ready to start.
milestone is often the first $10,000. Surprisingly, the biggest obstacle isn't your income, it's your psychology. That first $10,000 isn't just money.
Resist this
It's
temptation!
proof that you can control
I need
your
to save
spending,
this money!
think long term, and
There
build
goes my
real
whole
financial
paycheck!
discipline. Yet most people never reach it because their own minds work against them. The first trap is the proximity curse. The closer you get to your goal, the more your brain convinces you to spend the money. Suddenly, your car needs an upgrade, you deserve a vacation, or it's finally time to buy
This
that
plan will
expensive
secure
gadget.
your financial
These
future.
reasons feel logical.
Thank you. I'm ready to
but they're
start.
actually your brain trying to use resources immediately instead of saving them. The second trap is the celebration trap. You save $3,000, $5,000, or even $7,000, and you feel proud. Then your brain says, you've earned a reward. One expensive dinner, a shopping spree, or a weekend trip can wipe out weeks or months of progress. Ironically, celebrating your success often becomes the reason you fail. The third trap is comparison paralysis. Every day, social media shows people buying new cars, traveling, and living luxurious lifestyles. Meanwhile, you're saving every dollar. It feels like you're missing out. But here's what you don't see. Many of those lifestyles are built on debt. You're comparing your discipline to someone else's borrowed lifestyle. The fourth trap is milestone blindness. Many people chase $10,000 without knowing why. If money has no purpose, your brain eventually finds a reason to spend it. Instead, give your savings a mission. Maybe it's your emergency fund, your future business, or your freedom to leave a job you dislike. A clear purpose makes saving much easier. The final trap is the reset mentality. Many people save a few $1,000s, spend it, and then believe they're back at zero. They repeat this cycle for years. Successful savers don't think this way. They expect setbacks, but they keep moving forward instead of starting over mentally. The truth is, willpower isn't enough. Your brain will always find convincing reasons to spend. That's why successful people build systems instead of relying on motivation. They automate savings, keep emergency money separate, and make spending more difficult than saving. Think about two people. Jake saves money, but keeps using it whenever life gets expensive. Every emergency resets his progress. Marcus, however, has two accounts, one for emergencies and one for his long-term goal. When unexpected expenses happen, his main savings stay untouched. The difference isn't income, it's the system. Here's the biggest lesson. Your first $10,000 isn't about becoming rich. It's about changing your identity. Once you prove you can save that amount, you stop seeing yourself as someone who spends every paycheck. You become someone who builds wealth. And that's why the second $10,000 is always easier than the first. So don't focus only on the number. Focus on building the habits, the mindset, and the systems that make saving automatic. Because wealth isn't created by earning more. It's created by consistently keeping what you earn. Your future self isn't asking whether you can save $10,000. It's asking whether you'll make the decision to start today.